This is a simple tutorial showing you how to use Slick Stick to make over a plastic dresser. This is a plastic laminate dresser. This is not real wood. It's shiny and plastic feeling. Proper preparation is essential for your paint to adhere to this piece. A laminate wood surface will need to be cleaned with white lightning before you apply your Slick Stick. I wanted to add some flowers and birds to the front of this dresser. I used amazing casting resin purchased from a local craft store. I used molds in tiny branches and flowers and applied them to the front of the dresser using wood glue. I waited until my little molds had dried completely before applying my Slick Stick. Slick Stick is needed to ensure that your paint is going to grip properly to a fake wood or shiny surface. Slick Stick is a gripper for shiny surfaces. I apply it with a chip brush in an even manner to cover the entire surface. Once this is dried, I wait 2 to 4 hours before applying the second coat. After applying the second coat of Slick Stick, wait 24 hours before you paint. Now that my Slick Stick has dried for 24 hours, I'm ready to apply my paint products. I chose sea glass and vintage duck egg for this piece. I created a beautiful worn out finish by starting in the middle with sea glass and applying the vintage duck egg to the edges. I like to use my medium flat brush, keeping separate brushes for each color. On the second coat, when applying my paint, I keep my brushes damp with a spray misting bottle and blend the colors together. I painted right over the original hardware as well as the little molds. Now that my paint has dried, I'm ready to age up this piece and make it look a little older. I used my Easy Peasy spray wax and applied it to the area where the moldings were. I blotted back the excess amounts and used my Dixie Dirt and earth with my bell brush, applied in a circular motion. I keep applying my Dixie Dirt until the aged effect that I like is achieved. I like to do this on all of the corners and around the knobs and handles. I used warm gold gilding wax applied with my finger around the raised detail on the moldings. I also used a small brush to apply this in a drippy-like fashion down from the knobs. Using gilding wax and warm gold applies a beautiful shine to the raised detail. I wanted to darken some of the details a little bit further. I used my Best Dang wax in brown, applied it with a small craft brush, and wiped back the excess. Now this shiny little plastic dresser is an amazing vintage duck egg blue. It looks gorgeous and you could never tell that this is a fake wood product. All thanks to Slick Stick. Now you can paint over any shiny surface, metal, wood, or laminate surfaces. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for new videos, and follow me on all social media at the Top Drawer RVA. Link to order all products used in this video is located in the information below.